Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Boker Knives F3 Vox here with me for a quick review. This is a pretty interesting knife, guys. Pretty compact in size, because it's going to be like around 7-inch overall length with 4-inch long handle and 3-inch long blade. So very, very EDCable, titanium frame lock, nice anodized pocket clip. It's sporting a non-skeletonized titanium slabs over here. It has CPM S35 VN steel blade, nicely ground, I have to say, with this kind of like spidey hole. It has a nice shape overall. It's pretty chubby. It's a nice frame lock. Look at the this detail over here. 3D mill titanium backspacer, anodized lanyard hole. Pretty cool action. Even if it's on washers, yeah, it's pretty decent, I have to say. A little bit stiff lock bar over here going on. A little bit of a hot spot going on over here from this pocket clip, but in the hand it feels alright. I mean, it's not too big, but hey, hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you want to know more, please check out the full-length review. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.